Yes. Ooh, my fingers. I hurt them yesterday. But this show is edutainment, education, entertainment, smashed into one with a couple of band-aids. It's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Plus, I don't know your personal financial situation. Someone's coming. No, she's too short. You can't see her. There's it. There's nobody here.
Maybe I should cut.
I was moving your platforms, your stages, the stuff that you were standing on. Here you go.
You're moving.
Yeah, last night. What happened last night?
I did a spring concert.
Spring concert. And what was there? For food-wise?
Corn dogs.
Corn dogs, yeah. We had some food trucks out there.
And also
So...
Peace out.
Okay. You do the intro.
Welcome to Social Media World. I'm Catalina Luke, Alfred Gordon Luke. This is 8 at 8, and 8 minutes right now.
Right. Oh, sorry. Right.
Right now.
Boom. And I apologize. I changed the financial, but I didn't change the logo. Today we're talking about...
Adobe.
Not Adobe. We did that yesterday. We're talking about... What does that say?
Bank of America. Bye-bye.
Bank of America. Bye-bye. Thank
Peace
you.
out.
Is this tall enough? Oh, man. We're at the top. Oh, it's because I have my sit-stand desk is all the way up, so let's lower this as well. We're talking about BAC. There you go. Stands for Bank of America. Bank of America for all you Americans out there. And look at me, I'm all over the place. So Bank of America, BAC, part of the S&P 500. It's part of the sector financials. And let's see how they're doing. Let's see how they're doing. If you're an investor, you have to look at the investor relations page for all the earnings, the presentations, the nice little sales pitches that you get. It's pretty informative. It gives you a real high level view of what they're doing. But you came here for the charts. So if you are a buy and hold investor in Bank of America, you think it's really strong, let's see how you've been doing. As you know, everything's been on the downtrend. It is still strongly in the downtrend. It had a big reversal, a wick off bottom. That's what you call this. So that means it goes down there and says, no, thank you. We're going back up. So it seems like the strong floors right here is around 30. Let's just call it 35.5, right? 35.5. And right now it's trying its best at 38. I would say 37.5, right? So you're looking at a $2 spread for the month. Even last month, right? It had a huge range, but then it came into this channel right here. So that's what we're looking at right here. I would say if you're dollar cost averaging, man, you're hoping that it goes back up. You'll see the average is at 41, so you got some upside potential, right? It hasn't totally gone south side and not too far. It can still make a recovery back, I would say. But if you are looking to make some more profit by swing trading, that's it, trading the momentum. Within that candle, there is so much up and down action. So let's take a look at the up and down action here for the last, couple months here. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, floor, starting up, and newer highs, higher lows, right? So it has broken the trend. See, this is the downtrend here, and then here, this little run has broken it as well. So is it making a new floor around here? Like I said, 35 on the monthly chart. Again, you can see it translating here, probably around 35.70, 35.80. Is it going to bounce off this? Is it going to come back up and curl back up? So we're starting to see this flatten and curl. So let's get some circles out here so you guys can see. I would say, believe it or not, I would highlight this as your new floor right there. So those are your buy opportunities, and you're going to see it curl up a little bit higher. We're going to wait for something up there, maybe around 38 as your sell opportunity. Because right here, look at that, 38.72. There you go. That's where you could probably get out. Let's take a look at the strength here. We're looking at the RSI. I'm going to have to highlight that red because it is starting to show downside right here. And it's broken a little bit below here. So you can see all the peaks are lower, lower, and lower. So I think could it drop down even a little bit lower? Could the real floor be around 34, maybe straight 35? Yeah, I could see that coming in. You know what? I'm gonna zoom in here. Hold on. You guys can't see this. Let's go here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's better, mamacita. There you go. So what I say is, I would say your peak is up here. You probably get a floor, probably around here, mid. And then you'll see the strength here is going down. And also, the strength is still green, but it is weakening right here. I don't know if you can see that behind my name. So, there you go. But those lines are still below the 0 line for the MACD. So, you're not going to get a lot of strength out there. It is starting to crest and weaken. So, I think, yeah, we are probably heading in for a little more downside. I think you can look for the level 35, 34.80 as a floor to support. And then it could go back up again as high as 75.5 or 38. All right. But let's see what's really going to move the markets here. If we're taking a look at this, we really got to look at when the earnings call is. Bank of America, let's see. They met on April 18th. So they're due April, May, June, July. Probably in July we're going to see them. So they haven't announced their earnings date yet. So we know it's in July. You don't got to worry about that. But what about today in the financial markets? So here we got 23 earnings, 8 stock splits, 4 IPOs, and 85 economic events. Out of those economic events, let's see how much is going to affect America. Oh my, what did I do there? I tried to drag it over, but let's go like that. There you go. A little bit better for you. Let's zoom in. So America, let's look together here because I haven't looked at this today. EU, US. So NBA and mortgage finance. So this is more housing, a little bit of banking, mortgage index again. Oh, now we're getting to some American numbers. Wholesale numbers, energy and environment numbers here, infrastructure. So yes, you'll see crude, oil stuff. That's probably the reason why oils is really moving today. Oh, sorry, I was off screen. And then I think that's it for America. Everything else around the world is reporting. But this seems to be major. So we've got some mortgage stuff coming. And then also wholesale energy infrastructure as well. So that's going to move the market today. Let's see what's in the news. Bank of America are the best of the best. Okay. And then here it says Bank of America stock rises, but still underperforms the market. True. They're saying forget the big tech stocks and give Bank of America an upside. You're right. Sometimes these underrated stocks do overperform and they don't get as much time in the sun as some of its bigger brothers or like the FANGs, right? So know that they can make a silent march up. But is that the case here? I don't know. So we take the lows, we take the highs, we drop the Fibonacci. As you know, it's weakening, so coming down into a down cycle. Let's zoom in here. Wow, for the day, for you intraday traders looking for news, there's not a lot of news going on. Bank stocks aren't in favor right now, financials, but you can see it's in this bottom range right here, and it's just channeling back and forth. 36, 35, that's only 25-cent spread, or maybe even a 50-cent spread that it's had today. Not going to do much. So I would say it's going to stick around VWAP. It might try to test this 36 level again. The markets are kind of rallying today, but it could drop down here to 35. I think there's a strong floor here at 38. 35.83. So dancing a little bit. Here we go. Let's take this off. Bam. Let us give you a little OT. We gotta always change this one right here. I think that is the one. Wrong one. That's the one. There you go. Let's zoom in here. So, I can't see me. I gotta get this out of here. How do you get this thing out? There you go. So, let's see here. I got my lines here. I would say your strong floor right there, 35.86. We're just gonna watch this tick. This is a 1 minute chart, everybody. And we got 2 minutes here to spend with you. It's having another strong consolidation floor right here. There, boom, back up. So you can see. So it's hitting another strong floor here. I would say another line of support right there. But you see this wick right here? No likey down there, straight back up. There you go. But it is also wicky up here. Don't like it. So you're in this channel and range. Will it break out? I think to the strong side, you're going back up to 35.92, right? It likes this line. It's like a magnet. Straight back up to VWAP. So inverted hammer, it's gonna come down a little bit more. It might break. Man, I'm gonna say the next tick is right here. Let's see. Let's see the next tick. Oh, it ticked up. The magnet is pulling. The magnet is pulling. Oh, back down, back down. All right, it's in that channel for now. I don't know if that's a catalyst to move it, but this is what happens in the markets. We have fun just watching it. We don't try to predict it. We just see what it does, ride that wave. All right, everybody, we're closing this off. We're peacing out. No Catalina, we gotta get her ready for school. Peace.